everyone. My name is Joshua Zitting. I wanted to welcome you guys to the Agency ATM YouTube channel. Now, the Agency ATM, you guys, is currently in beta. So as you look at this channel, you are going to see a lot of amazing content, but we have just gotten started with this thing. So first of all, if you want access to the entire Agency ATM course, right now we are looking for beta testers. All you need to do is come over here, add yourself to this Facebook group, and DM us Agency ATM, and we will give you instant access to the course and essentially kind of give you some feedback on what we're looking for from our beta testers. Now, we do teach Go High Level. So if you haven't heard of that software, it's the platform that we all work on. All of the students are working on. So if you want to grab your free trial to Go High Level, it's right here as well. Go ahead and grab that trial, test out the software. We're going to teach you guys everything on how to set it up. In fact, we have an entire playlist that is dedicated just to how to set up Go High Level properly for your agency to where you can actually get launched and start getting your first clients right away. So if you are looking to successfully build a social media marketing agency today and essentially know how you can implement automations, AI, and really kind of simplify the process of building a marketing agency, then you are in the right place. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel. We're going to be dropping not only new videos regularly into this channel, but we do live stream as well. But most of the stuff that we do, you guys, is inside of that Facebook group. So make sure that you at least add yourself to the Facebook group and turn on notifications so you're notified when we go live. We do coaching sessions as well, so regular coaching sessions. And at some point in the future, we are going to be a paid coaching course. So as of right now, you have an opportunity to get this information and to be a part of the community as it grows. But just know that in the future, it's probably going to be anywhere from a $5,000 to $10,000 marketing course. So timing is great. If you're just finding this stuff out, make sure you join all these things. Make sure you get into our Facebook group and be a part of the community, right? This is a community of agency owners. We're already at over 200 agency owners right now. So it's an incredible community of people that are on the same journey as you, looking to build and grow and scale a marketing agency. So if that's of interest to you, we're excited to have you, and we'll see you inside.